Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a Windows 10 recovery USB on another computer. This lets you bypass the locked account. Once done, plug the USB into the locked machine and reboot. Press the boot key shown at startup to choose the USB. Make sure to select UEFI or Legacy according to the PC. Choosing the wrong mode can prevent the media from loading. This first phase gets you into the Windows recovery environment, which is necessary to access System Restore without signing in. Once in the recovery environment, you navigate Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot and Advanced Options to find System Restore. If you do not see a visible System Restore entry, open Command Prompt and run rstrui. EXE to launch it. This step still runs without logging into Windows. You will see available restore points. Choose one before the password or corruption started. Make sure to read the description and date. Selecting the correct point prevents unnecessary data changes. Confirm the chosen restore point and start the process. Your PC will reboot and apply the system state. This can take between 15 and 45 minutes depending on disk speed. Once done, you should be able to sign in using previous settings. If you still cannot, go back into Advanced Options and run Startup Repair or boot into Safe Mode to check user accounts. If System Restore finds no points, the next step is a Repair Install or Fresh Install, while selecting the option to keep personal files.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.